Thank you very much. It's nice to be here. I'm Tianbo Liu, a professor and interim director of the School of Polymer Science and Polymer Engineering at the University of Akron. So, of course, you all know that University of Akron has been known for polymer research for many years. So I would be very happy to share some information about our school, past and future plan. Let me see how we're going to, can I just share the screen as the way to present? Cannot hear you, sorry.
Yes, you can, Dr. Liu. You just share screen and.
Okay.
You should be all set. We will confirm that we see it.
Right.
It's a green button there.
Here we go.
Yep, there you are.
Thank you.
Okay, so School of Polymer Science and Polymer Engineering, we have about a history of 80 years. If you look back, it always went back to the Second World War II. Before that, we all know that this area was already an area for the rubber production, basically based on natural rubbers. We have strong local industry like Goodyear, Firestone, Bridgestone, and many other companies. So during the World War II, because the natural rubber supply was cut due to the war in Southeast Asia, US created research center here to make synthetic rubber effort. So from then, now we have a whole school, used to be a college of polymer science and polymer engineering. Of course, today we have all the efforts, not only for rubbers and elastomers, we cover the whole areas of polymer science and polymer engineering. So these are the three main buildings, the all-glass Goodyear Polymer Center for Polymer Science, Polymer Engineering, and also NPIC. NPIC, National Polymer Institute, that is an effort connecting to the industrial colleagues so we can do polymer processing. Okay, so in the past, we have contributed by a lot to the international polymer research. I think this slide cannot be presented properly, but the idea is that we have connections and alumni in many different countries. So you see now is that here, all the colors in yellow means that we have reach out activities or alumni or collaborations. So locally, our University of Akron Polymer School is a leading research facility and the power of producing polymer graduates for our local industry. We cover all those areas of research, and we are working with about 2,400 polymer companies in Ohio. So this is a good number because those companies are all research capable companies, so they can do R&D. So it represents many different areas, and we work closely with many of them. Okay, our graduates. Up to today, we only educate master's and PhD level of polymer scientists, but very soon we are going to open the bachelor's degree, likely be proved this year. So our graduates, if you can see, is that they spread out in many different countries. Most of them stay in the US, especially in Ohio and along the two coasts, East Coast and California. So here is the current educational structure of our school. We offer master's and PhD degrees in polymer science and polymer engineering. Those are two different degrees. polymer science and polymer engineering. We have professional master's degrees in polymer science and polymer engineering. That is to educate the current company employees who cannot go to school full-time, but who wants an advanced degree for their own careers or for their company's interest. Also, we have the accelerated master's program, so-called 3+2, with several Chinese universities. So the idea is that this is a program that we earn tuitions, establish connections, and produce more students for local industry. So at this moment, we are developing the BS degree in polymer science and polymer engineering. So next year, we plan to start to recruit students. In a long run, we expect, because of the local industry, this will be a hot degree, hot program. We expect to start with 30 to 50 students per year, and we'll see how far we can go. So other than that, we have some minor programs, minor in polymer science and polymer engineering. So this aims to the students with other majors at University of Akron. For example, chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, or mechanical engineering. So they have their own majors, but they want to get a minor degree in polymer so that they can have more job opportunities in the future. Meanwhile, for local services, we provide the summer interns for local students, an SFREU, that is research for undergraduate students. Those students are from other universities all over the country. Also, we have the high school training project. We train high school teachers, train high school students, and also we connect with community extensively. Okay, so right now we have 26 faculty members in the school, close to 200 PhD students, 85 master's students. So overall, every year we graduate somewhere between 35 and 40 PhD students, and probably around 40 to 50 master's students. So far, we claim that our PhD students, they have a 100% job placement rate with a starting salary close to 100,000. Our AMP, the master's program, created a good revenue for the university, and those students are very welcomed. They usually do not directly go to industry, go to the job market. 80% of them, 70 or 80% will continue their PhD studies either at University of Akron or be recruited by other universities, again, all over the country. So we are relatively well-funded. We have a lot of patents and publications every year. Regarding our graduates in the past years, we have this achievement that we have 28 regional startup companies created by our students, close to 500 students employed in the state of Ohio, and we have made 26 presidents in the company presidents, 31 CEOs, 9 CTOs, 5 founders, a lot of VPs and directors, as long as around 100 university and college professors in research schools. Okay, so overall our facility, as I mentioned, we covered almost all the aspects of polymer science and the polymer engineering. So we have all the state-of-the-art research capability. We provide a lot of collaborative internally and externally opportunities, and we work closely with local industry. In other words, we welcome industry colleagues to bring the projects to us, we work together, or bring the sample to us, we test, or bring some ideas to us, we discuss and develop together. So all of these things are very welcomed. Okay, so this is one picture for the processing. And of course, we so far at this moment, we are well funded. We have different ways getting money to support our school. The reason is that we so far don't have bachelor's program, so we relied on different funding sources to support our students. I will stop here. Any questions? I will be very happy to answer.